Hey everyone, how's it going today? I'm going to show you guys how you can book flights for Emirates, and just a small tip, if you have one extra, you can always take me. Anyways, you want to search for Emirates on your Google, just like so. And then the first link, as you can see, by Emirates, you want to click on that one. Now, what you want to do is you'll see some things called departure airport, and this is the place where you are from. So, from the place you will be leaving. So, let's say you live in Dubai. So, right over here, you want to search for Dubai. Click on this, and then the arrival airport is the place that you want to go to. Let's say that we want to go to Turkey. So, I'm just going to search for Turkey right over here. Istanbul. Now it's asking you for the departure date, which means the date when you want to go. So let's say we want to go there on January 25th. So we just select the date. Now, when you would return, if it's a one-way flight, you just want to click on this one-way thing and it's gonna go. But let's say you want to have it in a two-way, and let's say we are returning on the May 10th. We're just going to select that, and then you'll see that over passengers we have the amount of people that we want to book the passengers number for. And over here you'll see that you can only book for maximum 9 passengers per booking. So in case you have more people, I would say call them directly or do this in two bookings. But anyways, let's say there are two adults and one children, and if there is any infant, make sure you put in the right details, and then make sure you choose the class that you'll be flying into, whether it's economy, premium economy, business, or first class. Let's say we're flying business class, and then we want to click on search flights. Now what they're going to do is do all of the searches for the flights available. As you can see that business class, they're showing from the lowest price first, and they're also showing the time of when you would arrive there, and if it's a non-stop or with any stop. So non-stop means that the flight will not stop in any airport in between, and if there are any stops, then you know what the drill is. But just from there, you just want to, let's say we select this one, so we'll click on this one, and then you'll see that there are baggages, and if there is any seat selection which is restricted, complimentary, which means you can choose, there are any change fees, refund fees. So I would say select the ones that go the most with your budget, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.